What was the most surprising part of being a woman in construction?
My name is Alexis Issac, and I am a journeyman Boilermaker.
That was one of the biggest things for me, was childcare.
My name is Meagan Robinson, and I'm a journeyman electrician.
I've heard recently it's 2000.
Yeah. My name is Jenna Nowicki, and I am an apprentice welder.
Talk to different people.
My name is Bonny. For this conference, I was representing the flooring trade.
The job that I'm in currently is a laborer for Qualico.
I am here today at the Women's Conference speaking in a breakout session about women in trades.
My advice, especially for somebody starting out.
We discussed why we chose to get into the trade, what obstacles that would come up that kept women from joining the trades, and just various things along those lines.
And as an apprentice, they don't have the same kind of flexibility.
One of the things that was a big obstacle for me was that I'm a single mother and I was getting into the trades, and our hours are very early. They're usually a 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. start, and childcare becomes an issue. There's not a lot of childcare or daycare centers that open earlier than 7.
Also being a family issue, just not necessarily having the opportunity to have childcare because of the hours that some of us work.
I think accessibility at work is a big thing, having access to proper bathrooms and having the needs met in those bathrooms. It's not the same as men.
Porta potties are obviously a challenge. Sometimes they're not very clean. Sometimes there's no toilet paper.
A lot of it was like bathrooms and PPE that doesn't fit and stuff like that, and like that's a safety hazard for one, is to have proper bathrooms and to have PPE that fits, because like if you're using a grinder and your gloves are too big, like they can get caught in the grinder, like it's not safe. Yeah, and then we were also talking about what in your life has changed since you joined the trades.
I would say just talk to people.
We talked a little bit about the challenges, the rewards, the inspiration that we get from others and each other.
If the goal is to make the most money.
If you're thinking about a trade and if you like working with your hands, I say go for it. There are some great companies out there that are willing to work with you and help you get your ticket if that's what you're looking for, help you, and there are companies out there that are also flexible with the daycare schedule.
If you are someone that likes to be an independent person and that's something that feels unobtainable right now, especially in the current economy, trades will get you there. And for the women, just Google Manitoba women in trades funding. You will find bursaries, you will find grants. There are so many programs that want women in welding or in any trade. You can get your schooling paid for or a portion of it paid for. Indigenous women, like there are programs for them. Like, don't pay for all of it yourself. There are people willing to help you out, and that's a big thing, like especially when you don't have that extra money for school.